Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to get the quick launch toolbar going in Windows 11. You might remember back in Windows 10, it was pretty easy to do. You just right-click on your taskbar and go to New Toolbar, and you could browse to the location of the quick launch folder and add it, and then just kind of rearrange things, and you'd be good to go. But if you notice on Windows 11, you right-click, you only have taskbar settings. You don't have any options for that. So it takes an additional step to get the quick launch going here for Windows 11. So we're going to show you how to do that. So what you need to do is go to this GitHub site here for Explorer Patcher. So I'll put that in the description for the link that is. And then you want to install this Explorer Patcher. So you just got to go down to the download the latest version setup program link here and click on setup program. And you might get this message saying that it's not a commonly downloaded file because this is kind of like a new thing here. So by the time you try this out for yourself, you might not see this message if it's kind of an established program. So what you could do, depending on your browser, this is Edge. You can click on these three dots, click on Keep, Show More, and then Keep Anyways. If you're using Chrome or something else, you might not have to go through this, or it might be a little bit different. So you just have to figure out how to allow your computer to download this EP setup exe file. So we're going to keep it anyways. Now we're just going to run it, so just kind of watch what happens here. So here's our Windows 11 taskbar, open file. Just say yes to the UAC prompt, and you can see it doesn't really take you through any steps. It just kind of changes your taskbar around here. So now you'll notice if we right-click, we have all the options we had before for the toolbars and show Cortana button and so on. All right, so what you need to do next is to add the Quick Launch Toolbar folder to your taskbar. So I have the text here, so I don't have to copy and paste it, and I'll put this in the description. So you just copy this text here, right-click on the taskbar, Toolbars, New Toolbar, paste it in there. Then you can click on Quick Launch, select Folder, and now you have your Quick Launch toolbar down here. It always puts it off to the right by default, for some reason there. So what I like to do, first of all, is kind of right-click on it, get rid of Show Title, and then right-click again, get rid of Show Text, just so you have the icons itself. And then you got to kind of drag these two lines here to kind of get things in the right order. Kind of could be a little tricky to manipulate here. Okay, so let's close these. And we can actually unpin this, kind of clean things up. All right, so now here's the quick launch. So what I've noticed is we still have this task view and search, which apparently you can't get rid of. There's no way to turn these off. So you'll have these to the left of your quick launch toolbar. But anyways, you'll have now have your quick launch toolbar down here. And you notice you have the show desktop icon and the switch between windows. And of course, you could just delete stuff from there if you want. And if you want to add new stuff, just drag it in there, and you'll be working like you did back in the old days. So once again, you just need to install this little app here, which I'll put in the description, and then do a search for this toolbar here when you right-click on the new toolbar, and then just kind of rearrange things, and you'll be good to go. So if you want to remove this and you want your your new original Windows 11 taskbar back, you just have to remove it, because one thing you'll notice is when you click on Start, it brings up the Windows 11 Start menu kind of in the middle here. So what you could do to get around that is there's another app you can install called OpenShell, which will give you a Windows 7 style Start menu. We have a video for that you could check out as well. So that way you'll have kind of everything looking more like Windows 7. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. So give it a shot. And actually, before we go, let me just show you how to remove it. You can just right-click on your Start menu, Apps and Features, and then find the Explorer Patcher. Click on the three dots, uninstall, and then actually we'll do that real quick. And now you'll see that everything's back to normal. No more quick launch and no more Windows 7 or 10 style taskbar, and you're back in business. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.